I've got Bandit's bark bag, so if you want to see what the theme is for September 2025, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. This little guy's Bandit, and this is his bark bag. So they have gone to a bag to reduce costs instead of increasing prices for the consumer. They're going to a bag so that they can keep their prices where they are. Now, Bandit is on a special low calcium oxalate diet, so he gets three toys instead of treats. And this month is Sniffin Serengeti. So it says, across the open savanna, toys roam like gazelles and treats migrate from bag to belly. I'm sorry, not your belly. In this animal kingdom, your dog reigns at the top of the play chain, whether they're tracking snacks or taking down toys. Your pup is here to leave their paw print on the plains. All right, so first we have Pride and Prejudice. And they don't even get to come off of the cardboard. He's got to have them. They crinkle, they squeak. He's going to run off. I'm going to show you the next one, and he can come up and take it. Oh, they now give a little card in there. That's not that. I had to go online to find it. And there is like a little game online that you can play. Close that. All right, next we have the Zulina zebra. Look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness. What? Don't I get a toy? You want it? You gotta come get it. Come on. You gotta come get it if you want it. You gonna come? Come on. Come on. You come get it? And then last we have Jabari Giraffe. Look at him. He looks like he's ready to take a nap. Oh, what is that? You want that? Is that what you want? All right, Bandit approved. So please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell for Bandit. It makes him so happy. And hopefully, we'll see you soon.